Hello everybody and welcome to our Indian garden. So today it's the end of January and it's a lovely day, sun's shining, trying to come through. So today I thought I'm going to start to tackle this Indian bean tree, a little bit of a prune. These long branches you can see, the long spindly parts, is just 1 year's growth. So I need to try and keep it under control. I've got an extending battery chainsaw that I'm going to get out of the shed and start to prune it. So watch me here. Okay, speak to you soon. So I've got my PPE, my protection equipment. I've got some glasses, a hard hat, and ear defenders. It's not that loud a machine. As you can see, everybody, it's not that a difficult a job, but it's bad on the neck for looking at, and obviously you have to be careful. I then got out my extending tree lopper cutters and finished the rest of the tree using those because the extending chainsaw wouldn't reach that high and I didn't want to be climbing ladders. So yes, a good day's work in the garden. Okay, now I can start to clear up a little bit. So I'll get my bag that I put the garden waste in. There we go. I have to take the garden waste through the house, unfortunately. So I use this handy little bag. Voila, and I will start to cut this up, put it in the bag, and it can go in the garden waste. Okay, well, now that's that done. Hello, had a little cat visitor then. I don't know if it got caught on the camera. I've not seen him before. Ginger. We used to have a Ginger. He's probably thinking, oh, didn't know there was someone in the garden. Right, so now I just start to cut this up. As you'll see, it's an extremely soft wood, so it doesn't take a lot. And I'll cut it fairly small. That way I get more in the bin, which is great because it goes more compact. And you'll see here, this is a lavatera which I've got to cut back as well. Whether I get to do some of that today, we'll see. But, anyway, here we go. It's always quite therapeutic, tidying up. I do like it to be tidy. a little look in the garden while I've been doing a bit of pruning, and I've moved a robin nest last year. Anyway, I've just had a little peek. I'm nowhere near it, but it started to fill it, so that's a good sign. So hopefully I'll have baby robins again this year. So I'm really chuffed. I do hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you again soon.